I just picked this setup because my last one, I could feel the heat coming through here when I was picking something up out of the oven, so I knew it was time to get some new ones. I picked this one. I like how long it is on your arm, first of all. It goes up to 500 degrees in the oven, which is great, and there's the quilting on the inside, so it just seems to be very good at being heat resistant. They're also machine washable, which is great because you can get lots of gunk on them sometimes. But this set also came with the pot holder. There's 2 of them. Again, everything's machine washable. And I thought this was also handy as well. It's kind of like, I guess you can use it to grip stuff in the oven. You know how sometimes you're gripping a pot or a handle and you don't need the bigger glove. So this is great as well with the heat resistant fabric on this side and more of a towel. And there's 2 of these that came with it. So again, there's 2 of these little towels. There is 2 of these pot holders. This is what they look like on each side. And then there is 2 of these. So I think this was really great. I love them. I love the color, and I'm excited to use them.